Hello and welcome to this Excel tutorial. So in this video, we are going to find and replace blank cells in Excel. Whenever you are working with your data, you might have come across with these blank cells. It becomes very difficult to replace them if the data is long enough and you don't know where these blank cells exist. So the solution to is go to special or simply pressing F5 from your keyboard. So now let's see how we can do this in Excel. See here in this column we are having some product and the details. And in these columns we are having some month name and their respective values. But note here I have kept some blank spaces in order to make you understand how we can fill those blank spaces with the help of go to special. We are having some target here, that is fill the blank cells first with zeros and second with NA. So let's first jump into this. First of all, select all the numerical data inside your table. Then from your keyboard, press F5, the shortcut for go to. Then click here in this special option. You are getting a plenty of options right now, but which we are interested in is blank cells. Click on the blank and click OK. See, all the blank cells are now being selected. Now what you need to do is you have to press that number which you want to replace it. Let's say I want 0. Press 0. Now press Ctrl Enter from your keyboard. See here, all the cells have been filled with 0. Now let's move on to the second challenge. Let me undo this. Okay. Now select all the data again. Press F5, go to special. Now click on the blank cells, click OK. As it is being selected, press from your keyboard N/A, then Control and Enter. See, we have done our second challenge as well. So in this way, you can fill all the blank cells in Excel on your data. So in order to master this, you have to practice a lot. So keep learning and keep growing.